Good morning, dear students. Today we will again discuss chapter 1 crop production and management in detail. Okay, we have also done the revision of this chapter yesterday in brief, but today we will discuss it in much more depth or with detail. Okay, let's start. Food, we all know it is the basic requirement of life to survive. Okay, it is made up of various kinds of energy rich substances like carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals, which are known as nutrients. Okay, got it? Let's move further. Function of food, what or how food benefits us, or what are its uses in our body. Food provide us energy for various metabolic activities. It helps in the growth and development of the body. It helps in the replacement of worn out tissues, not worn out tissue, repair of damaged cell, and healing of wounds. It provides protection against disease also. It will increase our immunity. Okay, let's move further. Sources of foods are cereals, pulses, oilseed crop, fruits and vegetables. Let's move further. See the cereals with the help of pigs. Okay, wheat you can see in the form of crop as well as in the form of grain. Okay, then rice in the form of crop and then in the form of grains you can see. Let's move further. Maize and bajra you can see the types of uh, food items. There you can see in the pic also. It is clearly understandable for you. Then jawar you can see. Okay, in the earlier times when lesser are the food items or their quantity is less, persons used to eat jawar as their food also. Okay, including human beings also. Then pulses you can see pigeon pea arhar. Okay, urad you can see. हम कहीं भी जब सब्जियां खरीदने जाते हैं या दालें खरीदने जाते हैं तो आपके पेरेंट्स क्या करते हैं, कहते हैं कि अरहर की दाल दे दीजिए और उड़द की दाल दे दीजिए. ओके, here you can see in the pics also. Let's move further. मसूर एंड पी ऑल्सो. पी मटर के छिलके आप बहुत मटर छीलते होंगे घर पे जब भी पेरेंट्स आपकी हेल्प के लिए आपको बोलते होंगे. ओके, मसूर दाल you can also see 3 different colors are shown over there. Then black gram, kala chana. Okay, you can see in the form of crop as well as in the form of grains also. It is very much rich in nutrients. Okay, oilseed crops you can see soybean is over there and groundnut, mungfali. Groundnut is taken in maximum amount in winter season. Okay, soybean is also a rich source of protein. Sunflower you can easily see, nicer. Okay, you can easily see these are very healthy food items rich in vitamins and proteins. Okay, see same you can see the and castor also you can see. They are very much uh, good quality of food items. Mustard there you can see as well as linseed. Okay, let's move further. Root crop, root crop you can see turnip, sorghum. Okay, carrot you can see over there, gajar, sweet potato. Okay, sakargandi you can see over there. Okay, then sugar crop, those types of crops which provide us sugar in rich amount, they are sugarcane and beet also you can see. It is very much rich in proteins. Then fiber crops, you can see cotton, jute. Okay, cotton, we have already studied about this in our earlier classes also. Then plantation crops, tea, coffee, coconut, rubber. There you can see in the pics also. Okay. Then fodder crops, brisum and elephant grass. They are used as a food for the animals specially. Now the culture, it is the branch of science which deals with the production of plants and raising of animals useful to man. Okay, involves soil cultivation, breeding and management of crops and livestock. Okay, let's move further. Crop, when plants of same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scales, it is called a crop. Different types of crops require different climate conditions. Okay, so the types of crops are shown over there. Crops, kharif or rainy season crop, rabi or winter season crop, and jed crop. Okay, grown kharif crops grown during monsoon rainy season. Okay, and rabi crops grown during winter season, and jade crop mainly grown during summer season. Okay, require warm and wet weather. They require cold and dry weather. Require warm and dry weather. Okay, sown in June, July and harvested in September, October. Sown in October, November and harvested in March, April. Sown in the month of March and harvested in June. Okay, examples are rice, jawar, urad, bajra, cotton, pea. Okay, moong, groundnut of kharif crop, and rabi crops are wheat, barley, gram, mustard, potato, and the jed crops are seasonal fruits and vegetables. Okay, let's move further. Agricultural implements, the tools and their uses. Okay, khurpa for weeding, spade for digging and bunds formation, wooden plow for tiling. Okay, soil plank for breaking crumbs, seed drill for sowing. Okay, harrow for weeding, sickle for harvesting, sprayer for spraying insecticides, combine for harvesting and threshing. Okay, these are some agricultural tools. Those are used in the various agricultural practices. So you can see the tools also: khurpa, spade, you can see, and soil plank you can see over there, and harrow also. Crop production practices are soil preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting and storage. Okay, so the preparation of soil includes plowing and leveling. Okay, plowing or tilling is also the process of loosening and turning of soil done by using a plow. Plow are made up of wood or iron, allow the roots to penetrate deeper easily. Soil is overturned and properly aerated by plowing. Okay, let's move further. There you can see the wooden plow or iron plow. Okay, let's move further. Leveling, The process of making soil surfacing level for showing seeds done by using a leveler made up of wood or iron. Wood leveler you can see over there and iron leveler. Okay, showing done by broadcaster and the seed drill. Before showing, good quality seeds are selected. You can see the difference in broadcasting and seed drill for the showing of seeds. By using seed drill, the benefit is that lesser will be the time consumed, better will be the distribution of the seeds, and equal will be the margin between the seeds distribution. Okay, so applying manures and fertilizers, organic natural substances derived from decomposition of biological materials are known as manures. Organic or inorganic substances, okay, contain organic matter in large quantities, organic matter not present, okay, then contain nutrients in small quantities and are needed in large quantities, contain much higher amount of nutrients and are required in very small quantities. They are not nutrients they are nutrient specific. They are prepared in field and villages. They are manufactured in factories. They are bulky substances, so they are inconvenient to store, use and transport. These are easily available in concentrated form, so they can be easy to store and use and transport. Do not cause pollution. They can cause water pollution. Okay, let's move further. You can see in the pic also manure. You can see pic it is shown over there, manure spreader. Okay, how it is spreaded in the field. Fertilizers there you can see, and they can be sprayed in the field with the help of sprayer. Irrigation, the process of supplying water to crop plants growing in the fields by means of canal, reservoir, wells, etc. Water provide essential macronutrients to the crop, hydrogen and oxygen. Types of irrigation: soil-based irrigation, crop-based irrigation. Example: crop grown in sandy soil require more frequent irrigation than the crop grown in clayey soil. That is based on soil. Crop based on irrigation: paddy crop is transplanted in standing water, requires more water supply as compared to the wheat, gram and cotton. Okay, let's move. Methods of irrigation. Earlier used methods or traditional methods of irrigation were moat, pulley system, chain pump, Dekli, Rahat, level system. You can see in the pic also moat. It was very much time consuming and not as much efficient. And then see the chain pump system. You can see over there, it will pump some water and then it is transported to the field. Rahat system you can see there. Daily system also you can see over there. These earlier used methods of irrigation were very much time consuming and not so much efficient. Okay, so we will move to modern methods: drip irrigation method, sprinkler method, fertigation methods. You can see the drip irrigation methods, pipelining is done over there and there are hole made in the drip near the root of the plants. Sprinkler irrigation method you can also see, especially these methods are used in those areas where the supply of water is limited. So these methods are very much efficient method, okay, for the irrigation. Now removal of weeds. Weeds undesirable plants with the main crop, compete with the main crop for water, nutrients and space and light. Weeding is removal of weeds. Weeding methods, biological methods, chemical methods, cultural methods. Cassia plants against Pantheum weeds, herbivores, fish in paddy fields. 2,4-D nitrogen anthracene. Okay, crop rotation, mixed cropping, intercropping, plowing, folding, burning also. Okay, then harvesting, cutting of crop after its maturation, done by sickle or by machine called harvester. Grains are separated from chaff by a process called threshing. Threshing is carried out by combine. It is harvester plus thresher. Okay, you can see in the diagram also sickle, darati, we all know this, and harvester, it is used for harvesting. Combine you can also see in the fields many times. Okay, the combine is a very much efficient way of harvesting. It doesn't take so much time. Storage of grain. After threshing, grains are dried in the sun and then packed. Farmers store food grains in jute bags or metallic bins. Large scale storage is done in the silos and granaries and stored in godowns. At domestic level, dried neem leaves are also used. Silos. Silos you can see they used for storage of grains. Factors responsible for grain loss during storage. Biotic living factors, insects, rodents, birds, mites. Abiotic non-living factors, temperature, moisture, humidity, material of container. Then measures to prevent grain loss, drying before storage, maintenance of hygiene, plant product treatment, prophylactic treatment, improved storage structure. These are some efficient methods to prevent the grain loss. Disease of crops category, seed-borne disease, ergot of bajra, clavicip prepuya. Okay, these are some disease and symptoms. You can see fungus infect. Okay, brown leaf spot occurs with which are small and circular. Okay, these may be some disease, those can take place in crops. Ergot of bajra you can see over there, it will completely spoil the crop. Leaf spot of rice, there you can also see the spot got produced. Okay, soil borne disease, tika disease of groundnut. Okay, symptoms, spot of are reddish brown or to black. Okay, and you can also see in the pic also tika disease of groundnut, smut of bajra. They will completely destroy the crop if will not be treated at a particular time. Then waterborne disease, bacterial blight of rice, Xanthombos aureus leaves you can see bacterial blight. Okay, it will change the color of the rice. Airborne disease, rust of wheat, blast of rice. Okay, Puccinia tricana. There you can see rust of wheat and blast of rice also. It will damage the crop. Sustainable agriculture, agricultural practices that can continue for very long time without damaging the natural resources can be done by mixed farming, crop rotation, mixed cropping and intercropping also. Okay, let's move further. You can see intercropping in diagram. You can see maize and soybean and oat. Okay, three crops are grown at the same time. You can see that is called intercropping. More than one crop. Okay, mixed crop, three sister beans, squash and corn, spreading big leafed squash seeds the ground, conserving moisture, inhibiting weeds and deterring pest. The corn acts as a natural bean pole, while the beans contribute nitrogen to the soil for the other crops to use. Together, the beans and corn provide a complete protein. In this photo, you can see there you can see the three sisters. This photo you can see the light green leaves of a bean plant growing at the base of the corn stalk. Okay, there you can see the green revolution started in 1960 by Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, father of green revolution. Main aim was to increase the production of wheat by modern agricultural practices. High yield dwarf variety of wheat Sarbati Sonara was developed in 1967. Okay, the animal husbandry is the last point of this discussion. It is science which deals with scientific management of animals. It includes is called animal husbandry. It includes breeding, feeding, heeding, and weeding. Okay, so dear students, in this way, today we did a detailed discussion on chapter 1. Okay, so you can also revise the same chapter from your book also. This will definitely help out you to understand the concept in a much more better way. Okay, thank you so much.